In a small and quiet town, there lived a boy. His name was Alex. Alex was a cheerful boy. He liked to smile and laugh. He was friendly with everyone. But he had one serious problem. He did not understand the value of time. Every morning, Alex woke up late. His mother called him again and again, but he turned in his bed and slept more. When he finally woke up, he moved very slowly. He brushed his teeth slowly. He got dressed slowly. He wasted time on small things. Because of this, he was often late for school. His teachers noticed this. They tried to guide him. But Alex always said the same thing. He believed he had plenty of time. After school, Alex spent most of his time playing. He watched videos for hours. He played games again and again. When his mother asked about homework, he said he would do it later. But later never came on time. His homework was always unfinished. His books stayed closed for many days. Slowly, his habits became worse. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. One day, the school made an announcement. There would be an important test soon. All the students became serious. They started preparing early. They revised their lessons every day. But Alex did not change. He told himself that he would start tomorrow. But tomorrow kept moving forward. The test came closer and closer. Finally, one night before the test, Alex opened his books. He looked at the pages. There was so much to study. He felt confused. He felt nervous. He tried to read quickly, but he could not understand properly. His eyes became heavy. His mind became tired. He stayed awake late into the night. The next morning, he felt weak and sleepy. He went to school with a worried face. The test began. Alex looked at the questions. Many questions looked unfamiliar. He tried to remember, but his mind felt empty. He looked around quietly. Other students were writing with confidence. Alex felt stressed. He felt regret inside his heart. When the test ended, he knew he had not done well. A few days later, the results were announced. Alex got very low marks. His heart felt heavy. He felt sad and disappointed. His teacher called him kindly. She spoke to him with care. She explained that time is like a treasure. If we waste it, we lose important chances. Alex listened quietly. This time, he truly understood. He remembered all the wasted hours, all the delays, all the "I will do it later" moments. He felt deep regret. That evening, Alex sat alone in his room. He looked at his books. He looked at the clock on the wall. The clock kept moving. It never stopped. At that moment, Alex made a strong decision. He decided to change his life. The next morning, he woke up early. He did not wait for his mother to call him. He got ready on time. He made a simple plan for his day. He started doing his homework on time. He studied a little every day. He used his time carefully. He still played and relaxed, but he did not waste long hours anymore. Slowly, his habits improved. Days passed. Alex felt more confident. His mind became clear. His work became better. His teacher noticed the change. She smiled with pride. Another test came. This time, Alex was ready. He read each question carefully. He answered with confidence. He felt calm and focused. When the results came, Alex got good marks. He felt happy. He felt proud of himself. Now he understood a powerful truth. Time is very valuable. Once it is lost, it never comes back. From that day on, Alex respected time. He used every moment wisely. And slowly, his life became better and brighter.